Don't read success story. You will only get a message. Read failure stories. So we'll get an idea to get success. With this most inspirational thought for the day, this is Miss Anupama welcoming you all on Miss Anupama's channel. So my dear friends and students, welcome back to my channel, and I wish each one of you happy new year. May this new year, that is 2021, brings lots and lots of happiness and prosperity, and everyone should be happy, healthy, and I guess and I hope now today this year may be the best year for everyone. Okay, so my dear friends and students, welcome back. After a long break, I'm here today with one more video. Okay, I guess and I hope that my students, they must be missing me a lot, isn't it? So chalo, today in this session we are going to know about more about the subject, that is a max subject. Okay, and today we are going to learn about, we are going to know about, we are going to practice, and we are going to know a new topic of max subject, and that is addition chapter 3. And what topic we are going to learn today is addition with carryover, which is on page number 19 of your max textbook. You can see here. Okay, this is the page number 19 of your max textbook, and here addition with carryover sums were given. So that part we are going to know about it in this session, in this video today. Okay, my dear friends and students. So addition with carryover, which is on page number 19. Now addition carrying over, addition carrying over, okay, with carryover. There are mostly two types of additions. Okay, first one is, we have learned that in the previous videos, that is addition without carryover. Okay, addition without carrying over. Carrying over, this is one type, and this is the second type. Okay, addition with carrying over. Understood? So now this method or this type of addition you have learned in your previous video and in your previous classes also. Okay, this is like a simple addition. Okay, this is a simple addition without any carryover. It is a simple way. Okay, and most of the students, they make mistakes when the thing comes to addition with carrying over. Okay, addition with carrying over, this is little complicated. Okay, here you have to be very careful when you are adding two numbers, like simple addition only, addition without carrying over. But here the things are that it should be given, one number should be given adding to the next units, like a place value. Okay, to the next place value. Now here these are the four sums which we are going to see today. Okay, and this is like an introduction part. Okay, introduction part of this topic. Okay, in my next video I'll be coming up with the exercise of this chapter. Okay, now here the first sum, first what you have to do, when two numbers are given, you have to add. When you are going to add them, you have to put them in the proper place values, one below the other. Okay, so units, tens, hundreds, thousand, means here these are the like 3-digit number we are adding, and when we add carrying over, okay, carrying over, then we'll get the 4-digit number. Okay, understood? Now first we'll start with units place. Okay, we are going to add units place. Now here in the units place, you can see the first number is 7 and then 4. So 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, how much? It is 11. 7 after 4, 7, when you add 4 to the 7, you'll get 11. So we'll write 11 like this, isn't it? So here this unit number, unit sentence, this unit number you have to put it down here, and this tens number you have to give carry over here. Okay, this is called a carrying over. One number you have to give to the next number, that is a carrying over to the next place value. Now here most of the students get confused and they forget to add this carrying over to the remaining numbers. Okay, here like 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7, these 2 digits you have to add in the tens place. 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay, 10, they'll directly write this, but this is wrong. they'll forget to add this carrying over number. So here they commit mistakes. Okay, so 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11. So 11 will write in this way. So here also this one which is in units place, you have to put it down here, and the one which is in the tens place, again you have to give to the carry over to the next number that is in the hundreds place. Okay, got it? Okay, now here 1 plus 6 and plus 5. So 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, so 12 will write in this way. Okay, so this is units and tens. So the value which is in units place, you have to put it down, and the digit which is in tens place, you have to put here. Okay, carrying over thousands place. So my dear friends and students, see here in the thousands place there are no digits, no value is given to you. So straight away this one you have to get it down. Okay, so when you add 637 plus 574, the sum, the total which you get is 1211. Understood? Got it? This is the way you have to add. This carrying over is very important. This you have to add to the remaining numbers which are given to you to add. Okay, don't forget. Many times students forget to add this carrying over number. So the addition, the sum. Okay, this is the sum. What is this? Sum. I told you my last videos also, the total, it is called as the sum. My dear friends and students, chalo, we'll start with the second sum. Here also the same thing, 548 plus 957. These two numbers you have to add. Okay, you have to add. So what we have to do, first in the units place, the numbers which are given to you, you have to add that. Here 8 plus 7. Tell me 8 plus 7 how much? 8 plus 7 is 15. Yes, so you'll write 15 in this way, isn't it? 15. So 5 is in the units place, 1 is in the tens place. So the number, the digit which is in the units place, you have to put it down here, and the digit which is in the tens place, you have to give carrying over. Got it? Understood now? Yes. Now first start with this carrying over number. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. So in this way. Okay, so this 0 will be down here, and this one carrying over you have to give to the next place value, that is hundreds place value. Okay, so 1 plus 5 is 6, and 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9, how much? How much? 15, isn't it? So 15. Here also 15 you'll write in this way. So units, tens. So 5 is in the units place. So this 5 you have to put it down, and this one which is in the tens place, you have to give it to the carryover. So here my dear friends and students, as you can see here, no digits are given in the thousands place. So straight away bring this one down. So when you add 548 plus 957, the sum, the total which you get is 1505. Okay, how much? 1505. So don't ever forget to add the carryover number to the given number. Okay, otherwise if you forget this, your total, this sum will be wrong, your addition sum will be wrong. So don't do this. Always remember this to include in this numbers, then your addition sum will be correct. Okay, chalo. So this is the sum of these two numbers. Now shall we begin with the third one? Yes, we'll start. Now here also you can see my dear friends and students, in the units place 0 and 9. So 0 plus 9 is 9. Okay, so here in the tens place, 5 plus 7. Okay, two numbers are given, that is 5 plus 7. So how much? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. So 12 you will write in this way. So units place should be down, tens place you have to give it to the carrying over to the next place value. Okay, so it is in the hundreds. Okay, now 1 plus 6, how much? 1 plus 6, 7. So 7 plus 8, how much? 15. Okay, yes. 5, no, we'll write first 15 like this. So units and tens. So unit place value should be down and tens place value should be given carrying over on the thousands place value. So here no place digits are given, so straight away bring this one down. Okay, so this is the sum, this is the sum or the total of the these two numbers, that is 650 plus 879. Got it? Yes, my dear friends and students, the last sum of this what you call the introduction part of the addition with carrying over. Okay, this will be the last sum of this. Now here also the same way how we have done the three sums, in the same way we have to do, that is in the units place 9 plus 1 is given. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 units tens. So this units place value should be down, then tens place value should be given carrying over. Okay, got it? So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, 10 units tens. So this 0 down and this one should be given here. Okay, hundreds place value. Got it? So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, understood? So this is the sum of these two numbers. Okay, that is 489 plus 511, we get 1000. It is 1000. Understood all of you? Yes. Okay, little bit you have to be careful when you are adding the given number with carrying over. Okay, most of the time the students, they forget to add this carrying over. Okay, so don't do that. Be careful when you are doing this addition with carrying over sums. Okay, understood? Please note down this sums in your notebook, and in my next session I'll be coming up with the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos, and please do like, share, subscribe and tap the bell icon so that you'll be getting the notification of my upcoming videos. And please go on to the I button, so there you'll get all the playlist of my 4th standard. And I request my students, please do like and share the videos to all those who are in the 4th standard, so they'll be also getting benefited by all these videos. And stay at home, keep smiling and be happy. Bye for now. See you in the next video.